Now we are going to solve the problem based on conditional identities. So before solving the problem, we have to understand what is meant by conditional identities. That is, we will discuss here some identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b into sin c if and only if sum of three angle is phi. So such type of identities which are considered with some condition given condition are called conditional identities. But identities like sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is valid for all theta belongs to R, are not conditional identities. So, we are going to discuss here why we need such type of conditional identities. As most of the relation relating to angles of a triangle are of the type of conditional identities, and these properties are useful in understanding the properties of a triangle. While solving this, we need to keep the following in mind. That is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then we can change a plus b angle, that is pi minus c, or we can see sine of a plus b is replaced by sine of pi minus c, that is further sine c. Or we can also change, if we have a plus b is equal to pi minus c, on dividing by 2 we get pi by 2 minus c by 2. So on operating sine function we will get sine a plus b over 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. It gives cos c by 2 as sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. And in the same way we also replace cos function. So by keeping all this in mind, we can solve conditional identity question. So to understand this, we are going to solve some problems which are based on conditional identity in next lecture. Now to understand conditional identity, we will do some problems which are based on conditional identity. So the first problem is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 times sine a sine b into sine c. So we have to solve the left hand side. So taking left hand side, that is sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. So as we use sum or difference in the form of product, so we will get 2 sine a plus b, that is 2a plus 2b by 2. We get 2 sine a plus b and cos 2a minus 2b over 2, that is cos a minus b, plus we can write here 2 sine c cos c, that is the formula of multiple angles. So here you can see we get a plus b. So here we will use a condition, that is 2 sine pi minus c into cos a minus b plus 2 sine c into cos c. As we have a plus b plus c is equal to pi, that gives a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Therefore, 2 sine pi minus c is sine c. So we get 2 sine c cos a minus b plus 2 sine c into cos c. So we get 2 sine c as common, and in the bracket cos a minus b plus cos c. Now we cannot replace a minus b, so we will again use the identity and we will replace c in the term of a plus b. So as we have a plus b plus c is equal to pi, we will get the value of c as pi minus a plus b. That is, we get 2 sine c cos of a minus b plus cos pi minus a plus b. That is, we get 2 sine c cos of a minus b plus cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos a plus b. So we get, that is 2 sine c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So we get 2 sine c cos c minus cos d, that is cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sine, that is cos alpha minus cos theta, minus 2 sine alpha, that is a plus b, that is alpha minus beta, because here we put the sign minus, otherwise d minus c. So a minus b plus a plus b. So we get 2a over 2, that is a, and also sine this plus this, this minus this over 2, and we get 2b over 2, that is a plus b, that is alpha a minus b minus a minus b minus 2b over b, that is minus b. Just write down these formula while using this. If I got confused, you can easily confuse. So, while doing such formula, be careful. So, we get 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. As we seen in the problem, we use 2 or 3 times that condition. So, that's why without this condition, we cannot reach up to that result. So, such type of problems which are based on condition are conditional identities. Now the next problem, which is based on conditional identity, is if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 2 times 1 plus sine a sine b into sine c. So we have to prove this. That is, taking left hand side, we get cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c, that is 1 plus cos 2a over 2 plus 1 plus cos b 2b over 2 plus 1 plus cos 2c over 2. So we get from here half plus half plus half, that is 3 by 2, and plus half cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. That is, we get 3 by 2 plus half. We will use the sum or difference formula in the form of product. So it becomes 2 times cos a plus b over 2, that is cos a plus b, same into cos a minus b plus cos 2c, that is, we have to find the result in sine form, so we will take the formula of cos 2c sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square c. So we get here 3 by 2 plus half, that is 2 cos a plus b. So we replace cos a plus b by pi by 2 minus c, as a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. So a plus b is pi by 2 minus c into cos a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sine square c. So we get 3 by 2 plus half into 1 is half plus half of 2 cos pi by 2 minus c is sine c into cos a minus b minus 2 sine c. So from here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 2 plus half, 2 is common out, we get sine c is common and we get cos a minus b minus sine c. Now as done in previous question, we will again replace c by what? That is pi by 2 minus a plus b, because we have no identity to replace a minus b. So in this form we will write pi by 2 minus a plus b. So we get, that is 2 plus sine c into cos a minus b minus sin pi by 2 minus theta, that is cos theta. It becomes cos of a plus b. So we'll again use here sum and product, sum or difference in the form of product. So it becomes cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. As same form we will get 2 sin a of sin of minus b as done in previous part. So 2 plus sin c into 2 sin a, because sin of minus b is minus sin b, so minus minus becomes plus. So we get 2 is common out, 1 plus sin a sin b into sin c, which is equal to right hand side. So you can see if we have some condition, then we can solve such type of problem. Otherwise this is not possible. This can be solved, but desired result cannot be get very easily, or I think cannot get without these conditions.